haven't uploaded for a little while because with all the current events going on, I want to take some time to step back, absorb and learn all of the information that has been coming to surface over the last few weeks, and I hope you are taking the time to do the same. Currently, the whole entire state of California is required to wear our face masks pretty much anytime we're out in public, and it's kind of sounding like we're heading into a second round of COVID-19, which was already predicted. But I have a few tips I want to share with you guys, just because I know from my experience my whole skin is broken out from having to wear these masks. So I just wanted to share 2 simple quick tips. Normally, I know I have a lot of makeup. I have makeup on right now, but normally when I'm out running my errands and wearing my mask, I'm not wearing makeup. So what I did is I went to Target and I picked up unscented face wipes. I just noticed one of the first days I was wearing my mask that I could feel the oils on my face from the mask. So I wanted to pick up something that I could clean my face off with between running errands. So I picked up these wipes just to help out when I'm running errands, but this is not in any way meant to replace washing your face twice a day. That's still really important, especially with us being required to wear the face masks. Also, I think it's really important to get unscented wipes. That way you don't have additional irritants on your skin. I mean, we don't have to deal with, we don't need the additional worry about, our face mask irritating our skin. You can buy any brand that you want. I just picked these up from Target. They're not recommended to use a whole ton because they do kind of tear on your skin and that's not great for you, but right now in current times I think it's better to have something to clean your face in the middle of the day versus not. So that's my solution, just to help out my skincare a little bit. But also, with the additional requirement of us now having to wear them every day or anytime we're out in public, you do need to wash the masks every day. And I know we can't always machine wash them every day. Sometimes you can hand wash them, but also if you have an unexpected errand or something comes up and you need to leave the house and you didn't clean your mask from the day before, you can also use these wipes to clean the face mask, especially if you have a fabric face mask. And I know it kind of sounds like it doesn't make a big difference, but it really actually does. I mean, it'll kind of get off any initial oil and dirt that is sitting on the surface, and you'll notice that when you put the mask on to cover your face, how much of a difference you feel from the mask from the day before. It's just a little quick, simple tip that I wanted to share with everyone, considering I don't know that we'll be out anytime soon from not wearing these masks. So I just wanted to pass that little tip along. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you try it, see how you feel about it, okay? And for now, please wear your masks in public. Thank you.